Hello everyone, welcome to 7 Star Machine Tools. Today we will show you this heavy duty 26 feet length lathe machine. Its bed width is 22 inches and center height is 22 inches. Its spindle bore is 5 inches. The 30-inch heavy duty dog chuck is installed in this machine and 5 HP 960 RPM motor is installed in this machine. This machine is specially made for our Rajkot customer. Ready rest and follow rest are also bearing type, specially made for the customer. So if you want this kind of machine, you will contact me. My contact number is in the description. If you have any query or you want to order this kind of machine, then please contact me. Thank you.